Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. My name's Rhonda, and I don't typically get on here and like show my face. I'm just showing me cooking, but I had some ideas from you all to give you like kind of a gift guide, last minute gift guide of kitchen items. And I thought it was an excellent idea because, as y'all know, your girl doesn't like to cook, but I've got to feed my crew. So welcome to my pretend cooking show, of course. So with that being said, I've got some appliances in my kitchen that I definitely recommend for you all, and we're going to go over it today. So remember, this is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where I don't know, we're just gonna pick some stuff out that I found I'm saving up for. I want them really bad. Let me pull them up real quick. I found them at Sam's, so that's the only drawback. However, right now Sam's is like running these deals where you can sign up for their membership for like 20 bucks, and granted that doesn't include like free shipping or free delivery or something like that, but it will at least let you get into the store. So my husband and I had gone into the store over the weekend, and I was looking at some of their cookware, and I found what I'm saving up for and I truly want. So it's stainless steel, and I told you all that I currently own like the Rachel Ray set, and it's like a non-stick set, and it worked really good in the beginning. However, the only drawback with it is they say if it's like whatever that non-stick stuff is, it's like not good for you, especially when it starts chipping. And that's an issue that I'm having. Even with using silicone like and wooden spoons and everything like that, we're not using like real forks or nothing like that when we're stirring and cooking and whatnot. So it's chipping, and I wasn't even putting it in the dishwasher, and it's chipping. Did y'all figure that out? It's chipping. Anyways, so when we were strolling through, the reason I was more curious in a stainless steel type of pots and pans is because when my uncle passed away, and if you guys watch some of my cooking videos, I mean my cooking show, I showed you all two of the pots that I received from him, and I love them. And once you learn how to use them correctly, because it took me forever, you got to let them heat up, and then you flick a little water on there, and when it like runs away, then you're good to cook on it and know it's not going to stick. So with that being said, they do have a stainless steel set available, but I can tell you, out of 235 reviews over at Sam's, this has a 5-star review. Now I don't know if I'm gonna be able to link this for you all, but I will at least have like it listed for you guys. And it's a, I don't even know if I'm saying this right, Hinkle's Real Clad 10-piece stainless steel set. It's $149.98. So please subscribe. Let's get this channel monetized. Stick around, watch my content, because I am saving up to get this set. I'm just down with the stainless steel right now, and I wanted to find a kitchen set that's affordable, that I don't have to worry about chipping or anything, and it's gonna last a long time. And I feel like for those that are either getting into cooking or have been cooking for a while, and some of y'all even told me like, if you find a good affordable kitchen set, let me know. Well girl, I got you. This is the one that I'm saving up for. This is the one that you guys eventually will start seeing me cook on. So that I thought was like one of the important things. Now let's go ahead and talk about some other things that are very much well loved in my kitchen. Let's start off with my Pioneer Woman Instapot. Now I'm double checking to see if it's still on sale. When my husband got it for me last Christmas, I think it was like $89.99. It's on sale for 50 bucks. The one that I show you in my videos. So I say run, because $50 is a steal, and I was scared of it. I'm not even gonna lie, for like a couple months. I was completely scared of that stupid thing. But now I'm over it and realize it's not gonna like blow up in my face, and it's amazing. So right now they're actually clearancing it for 50 bucks. So online it's showing sold out, unfortunately. So in your store, if you take this in, you should be able to get a price match. I'm sure that just means she's gonna come out with another one, but it's okay. Mine works just fine even after a year. Another thing that I wanted to mention to you all is the Ninja Personal Fitness single serve blender. It does come with two 16-ounce cups, and the reason I wanted to show you this, especially if your kids love smoothies, or when you're baking and you need to make powdered sugar because you only have it granulated or whatever it's called. I stick it in my Ninja Bullet, and they've changed the name of it, but it's the same thing. And you just grind it up and it makes powdered sugar. It's amazing. I do it with erythritol too. So this is another thing that I feel like a lot of us need in our kitchen. This one in particular comes in like 2 different colors, and my son uses it to make protein shakes and everything. So it's a nice like multi-functional type of product. Another thing is the crock pot, okay? So if you don't like to cook and you just want to throw all your stuff in the pot and then you come home later, then boom, it's done, you're ready to eat. They're lifesavers, okay? I have the, I think, 7-quart one, and it's on sale for $29.68, at least the day that I'm filming this. These make amazing gifts, like amazing gifts. I'm gonna be concocting a Salisbury steak recipe for you guys, so stay tuned, stick around, because that will be coming soon whenever I cook it. So I think crock pots and Instant Pots are always a great idea. Another thing that I feel like everybody loves the KitchenAid mixers, and I'm not gonna lie, I have one. And I make that face because like, I really wanted the one that like has the bigger bowl on it, but it's so freaking expensive, and I still, I think, paid just under $200 for mine, and I love the thing, but if you're not careful, everything goes flying out of it. So what I wanted to mention to y'all is, I think it's called Hamilton Bay. Let me find it because I put it down in here. The Hamilton Bay Classic Stand Mixer. It's a 4-quart stainless steel bowl mixer. I had this, okay, and I still have the cool thing about this is it comes apart. You can use the hand mixer, or it could like come together and you could put the bowl on there. And that thing, it's on sale right now for $37.99 at Walmart. Again, I'll have everything linked and listed for y'all. I never had an issue with everything flying out of it like I do with my KitchenAid. Like I told y'all, my KitchenAid's a good one, but I literally have to cover it with a tile when I'm mixing stuff together, because if not, it goes flying out. Like even if I put it on the lowest setting, it's not like I'm going 0 to 5 in 1.2 seconds. I'm literally like first setting and it's like so annoying. Anywho, I digress. But I thought that that would make an excellent gift. Another thing, it's showing sold out right now. I will try and find it maybe at Target. But this, we actually have this, and this is the Ninja Dual Brew 12 cup or a single coffee. This thing is amazing. Okay, so my husband had gotten it for us, or for me, because let me tell you, everybody and their mother last year was all about those, ooh, stupid expensive ones, Nespressos. Okay, well look into a Nespresso, all right? Those things are ungodly expensive in my opinion. If you have one, congratulations. I know my cousin has one, she loves it. But just to buy a refill pod, the sleeve is like, I don't know, 15 bucks, 10 to 15 bucks. I love coffee and I cannot function without my coffee. I will admit it, CEO, president of, you know, Coffee Strong Anonymous, I don't care. But I cannot get down with every time I need to buy my coffee and only getting like 12 pods for like 15 bucks. That's only 12 cups of coffee. I know I drink at least 2, maybe 3. Shh, it's fine. Shh, I don't want to hear about it, okay? I'm functioning. It's working. But yeah, that was just too expensive. And so, and I didn't want to Keurig because I didn't want to be stuck to just one single cup. So what I love is iced coffee. So when I say I'm drinking about 3 cups, you gotta remember it's iced coffee poured on top of ice. So it's really watered down, and I'm probably only really truly drinking, you know what, I'm not gonna justify it. I'm done being a people pleaser. So if you don't like that I drink almost 3 cups of coffee a day, well, that's on you. I'm happy with me most days. So this Ninja thing is amazing because you can do hot coffee, iced coffee. You can do a single cup and put like a K-cup in there. Any K-cup size works. Anything from Aldi's, Kroger's, Starbucks, Green Mountain, doesn't matter. it works. And then it has like a water section. So if you make ramen or tea, you can do that. It has a flippin' frother on it too. I don't really use that because I'm just trying to get the coffee in me stat. But this thing, the price has gone down a lot. I honestly don't understand why it only has 3 stars out of 5, because I own this. We've not had one issue with it. We love it, and I legitimately use it at least every other day, because I make a pot of coffee, and then my husband and I each have, like, I have it's about this big. Okay, wait. About, you know, it's a mason jar, and I fill it up with iced coffee. And then he has his, and we save the leftovers and then use it the next day. And then, okay, so like day 3, I make maybe 3 pots of coffee a week. Okay, I'm over here trying to justify it. I don't care, but yet justifying. This Ninja, I love the Ninja line. We also have the Ninja, let me see if I can find it right quick, the Ninja air fryer. That's another one that we love because it's like a user-friendly product. I don't read directions. I do not read instructions. I just wing it at life through all aspects of life, okay? So with that being said, we've got the Ninja, I think it's called a Ninja Foodie. The Ninja Foodie 6-in-1 digital air fryer, okay? So it air fries, it toasts, it bakes, it broils. It does a bunch of stuff. And the cool thing is it has a toast section and a bagel section, and you can do light to dark. My kids use it. I mean, granted, they're all teens, but it's easy to maneuver, it's easy to work with, and we really like it. Like, it's a good product to have. So one other thing that I want to recommend, and let me double check and make sure they're still available. I got them last year on sale at Walmart for a heck of a deal. I got 2 of these mini crock pots from Pioneer Woman for this says $23.64, so I guess that's about what I paid. These things come in so handy. So we'll make, like, especially we'll use them just random. Like, I love football. When my Bengals play, watch out. So I love to make snacky foods, whether it's like cocktail weenies and barbecue sauce. My husband, this past weekend, we did like cheese dip in there for Thanksgiving. I'll use them and put like the green beans in one and something else in another. These things get used so flippin' much. They are absolutely amazing because we only have 4 burners on our stove. So if I'm like cooking for Thanksgiving or Christmas or whatever it is, these are always nice to have available, and they're so freaking cute. So they come in other brands, like the mini sizes. You don't have to do Pioneer Woman. I was just a little on the extra side, and I picked up hers. Actually, I'll pop up the picture of the ones that I own, and like I told you all, we use them all the time. They come in so flippin' handy. So I would definitely recommend these. They're a 1.5 quart little mini crock pots, and they're nice because they lift out of the crock pot too, just like a big one would. So anywho, I think that's all that I wanted to talk to y'all about. There could be some other things, like, you know, a thermometer, but I don't want to bore y'all. I've kept y'all here long enough. Those are just some quick, easy gift ideas that are great for last minute, and you're probably more than likely going to be able to find them at Walmart, Target, whatever. But if you already own the Sam's stainless steel pot set, then pots and pans set that I'm talking about, let me know your thoughts, because like I said, it's got 5-star review out of 235 reviews. So I can't wait to get it. I'm gonna save up, I'm gonna get it. So stick around, subscribe. I would definitely appreciate it. I have a couple other channels, legitimately. Hotmess Mama MD, where I filmed this makeup look, and then Hotmess Mama Vlogs, where I do plus size cover girl fashion hauls over there. And I hope everybody has a wonderful holidays and happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmama04. Until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.